Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm here to share with you 2 DIY toddler activities which I have made for my son and he loves to play with them. You also try it and it's very easy and your kids will love it too. So let's get started. Paint the ice cream sticks with different colors, as many colors you want and as many sticks you want, and let them dry for some time. Once the sticks are dry, you can use these sticks for both the DIYs. The first activity is plastic bottle activity, for which you need a clear transparent plastic bottle. First, you have to take out the cap and make a cut with the help of a cutter so that the ice cream sticks can pass through. This activity is really good for motor skills, which enhances eye to hand coordination. The second activity is egg carton activity. It's a great example of best of waste. With the help of a cutter, make a cut on the top of egg carton so that the sticks can slide in. This activity is really helpful. Kids will start identifying colors. It also inspires them to think critically, and I promise the toddlers will love them. For more details, please check out the link below. I hope you liked this video. Do like, share and comment about your experience with DIY toddler activities and do try it at home. Thank you for watching.